Tips and tricks on training a dog at home. Why do you think people considered a dog as man's best friend? Dogs are wonderful creatures. They can be very loyal, incredible companion, as well as provide protection and support to humans. But as pet owners spoil and give much affection and attention to their pet dogs, it is sometimes difficult to tame and communicate with them to the point of embarrassing their owners to the public. That's where effective dog training techniques come in. Having a dog is a huge responsibility and can put stress to both the dog owner and the pet. Dogs are needed to be taught by giving them proper obedience training to develop good manners and etiquette toward their owners, other people, and other animals as well. No particular dog training technique is perfect for all dogs. Since dogs are unique and have different personalities, it is essential to note and discover the principles behind their behaviors and attitudes to determine the effective techniques that would work based on their personalities. The approaches and strategies can be modified to suit the needs of the dog, as these are merely guidelines and not some sort of strict rules to follow. It is very important that every dog be given some basic obedience and behavior training, as no responsible dog owner would like to have a stubborn dog that won't listen and obey commands. With proper obedience training, both you and your dog would be able to understand each other better, as well as bring out the best in your dog, a dependable and reliable one. Training your puppy or even an adult dog can be an easy task as long as you keep the training short, simple, practical, and fun. Below is a list of some tips and tricks a pet lover should know to train a dog at home. Number 1. Train early. Puppies are easy to train, very enthusiastic, and playful. Set boundaries and rules and enforce them strictly. The important thing in puppy training is getting and keeping their attention. Number 2. Be consistent. Set up rules that are reasonable and teach your pet how to obey those rules. Once the rules and routines are set, your pet is just going to follow them. Number 3. Reward system. Provide your dog with some treats for his good behavior and accomplishments. This can make your pet understand that good behavior can reap rewards. Number 4. Crate training. Putting your pet dog to a crate is the easiest form of training your dog, especially when they are still young. Be sure to let them out also in a routine manner for him not to feel caged or isolated. Number 5. Stop chewing and digging. Destructive chewing and digging are probably the most common behavior concerns that drive pet owners crazy. One way of stopping these bad habits is to allow them to play with other dogs. Also, giving of chew toys can also tame the biting habits because of their attention focused on those things. Number 6. Leash training. Leash training can be a struggle for a dog, most especially to an adult dog. Make the dog understand and accept that the leash is not a punishment by walking with them or doing an outdoor activity with them. Learn to walk with the dog with great strides so they would learn to feel comfortable and easy. Number 7. Teaching positive commands. Your dog will most likely obey positive commands such as come, sit, fetch, etc. because dogs associate positive memories with positive commands. With this, pet owners will be able to control their pets in many situations. Number 8. Control the barking. A good pet does not bark inappropriately. Teaching your dog the proper time to bark helps build confidence in the dog. These tips can work regardless of the age, size, shape, breed, or color of your pet. Just bear in mind your dog's temperament and respect the independence of your pet as you train them to deal with people and other animals.